Havells Pressure Pump Guidelines for Installation, Operation and Maintenance. Havells offers a wide variety of pressure pump for different needs. Customer can visit the Havells retailer or dealer shop or log on to www.havells.com for product selection. Pressure pump variety: multi-stage pressure pump with a high-quality engineered blasting impeller. Multi-stage pressure pump with a high-quality stainless steel impeller for improved reliability. Self-priming pressure pump and self-priming shallow well pressure jet pump. Application: pressure boosting in household residential apartment. Pressure boosting in hotels and commercial complex. Multi-jet shower panels. Constant pressurized water application. Common terminology: automatic stop pressure or cut-in pressure. It is the pressure of the system at which pump set should stop. This pressure will always be maintained in pipeline. Automatic stop pressure, also known as cut-off pressure or range. It is the pressure of the pipeline at which the pump set should stop. Differential pressure scale. It is cut-off pressure minus cut-in pressure and it should be maintained at minimum 1 bar. Air pre-charge pressure. It is the air buffer pressure maintained in hydro-pneumatic tank. These following information needs to be shared with dealer or retailer for proper pump selection. Pressure pump is designed to automatically start and stop on opening and closing of taps of faucets to maintain constant water pressure. For proper selection, it is important to specify total number of faucets or outlets and total bends along with pipe size. Installation and use. Please read the operating instruction manual carefully before installing the pump. Some recommendations before installation. Pump should be placed near water source under canopy. Float level switch should be placed at sufficient distance from minimum water level to prevent dry run. Bypass valve should be closed during operation and Y-type strainer should be placed in correct orientation, that is, wire mesh should face towards downward direction. Operation: connect the supply wire to the motor lead wire, which should be properly joined and joint should be waterproof. Check the direction of rotation of motor. It should be clockwise when looking from the fan cover side of the motor and as indicated by arrow on the pump casing. Installation guidelines: use anaerobic pipe sealant or Teflon tape for the pipe joints. Avoid use of gunny pieces or jute ropes. Check for any air leakages at the joints in the suction pipe, as this could affect the pump performance. There are two settings in pressure switch. First, cut-off pressure. Second, differential pressure scale. For setting cut-off pressure and differential pressure, adjust the screws at the top of pressure switch. Check air pre-charge of hydro-pneumatic tank with the help of air pressure gauge and cross-verify it by comparing the value as mentioned in the nameplate. Wire mesh of Y strainer should be checked and cleaned once in every 4 months or when low performance is observed in pump, as dust may degrade the performance. Pump must be properly earthed using earthing lead wire to ensure human safety. Troubleshooting: if pump runs continuously even at no requirement. Possible cause: first, due to high cut-off pressure setting in pressure switch. Second, due to leakage in pipeline. Solution: first, check cut-off pressure and regulate within limits as per system requirement. Second, check leakage in pipeline. Low pressure in pipeline. Possible cause: operating faucets are more than the recommended faucets. Solution: correct selection of pumps as per the operating faucets mentioned in the instruction manual of the pump. Chattering in pressure switch. Possible cause: first, due to high voltage fluctuation. Second, low differential value set in pressure switch. Solution: first, regulate power supply. Second, differential value should be checked and set within limits. Improper pressure switch operation. Possible cause: first, rusted spring. Second, foreign particles damaged below in the switch. Solution: first, Check water or moisture ingress in the pressure switch for rusting and provide adequate cover. Second, use Y-type strainer. Improper pump operation. Possible cause: first, due to improper pre-charge pressure in tank. Second, improper plumbing and assembly. Third, damaged tank. Solution: first, check air pre-charge pressure in tank and maintain the pressure at 1.3 bar. Second, check plumbing. Third, add protection for tank to prevent damage or leakage. Frequent start or stop. Possible cause: leakage of air pre-charge pressure in hydropneumatic tank. Solution: fill air in hydropneumatic tank and check for leakage. Always use genuine spare for your Havells pumps. Please feel free to contact for any technical support and complaints. Havells Customer Care contact email customercare@havells.com. Customer helpline +91 8045 771313. WhatsApp number 9711 773333.